Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin tested critical support around $68,798 as markets continue digesting February's sharp volatility. South Korea intensifies regulatory oversight following Bithumb's massive system error, while quantum computing concerns are being reassessed by major industry players. The cryptocurrency market experienced significant turmoil in early February as Bitcoin plunged towards $60,000 on February 5th before rebounding. Multiple factors contributed to the sell-off. Over $3.3 billion in liquidations across crypto markets, Bitcoin ETF outflows totaling $3.5 billion, and broader risk-off sentiment as the Nasdaq declined roughly 4.6% and the S&P 500 dropped 2.6%. On-chain data revealed genuine stress signals during the crash. Short-term holder SOPR fell to 0.93 on February 5th, indicating realized losses as newer investors capitulated. Supply and profit dropped from 55.26% to 52.11% in a single day. Trading volume on Coinbase spiked dramatically, with 666 million XRP tokens changing hands on February 5th alone. South Korea's Financial Supervisory Service announced a comprehensive enforcement plan on February 9th following a major incident at Bithumb. The exchange mistakenly credited approximately 695 users with 2,000 Bitcoin each instead of small promotional rewards on February 7th, creating a roughly $44 billion error that temporarily crashed Bitcoin prices 30% relative to global averages. The FSS response includes deploying artificial intelligence tools to detect suspicious trading patterns and establishing a preparatory team for the Digital Asset Basic Act. CoinShares released analysis challenging widespread quantum computing fears. The firm estimates only approximately 1.6 million BTC, roughly 8% of total supply, sits in vulnerable legacy addresses. CoinShares estimates breaking Bitcoin's cryptography would require quantum systems roughly 100,000 times more powerful than today's largest machines, a capability at least a decade away. In institutional developments, Binance's Secure Asset Fund for users purchased an additional 4,225 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $300 million, increasing total holdings to over 10,455 BTC. China ordered major banks to reduce U.S. Treasury holdings as Chinese Treasury exposure falls to a 17-year low of $682.6 billion. China has divested more than $500 billion in U.S. debt while simultaneously increasing gold reserves for 18 consecutive months. Analysts suggest this shift may benefit alternative assets, particularly Bitcoin. The crypto industry's Super Bowl presence shrank dramatically in 2026, with Coinbase as the sole major cryptocurrency advertiser during Super Bowl 60. This marks a sharp contrast from 2022's Crypto Bowl. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.